Did you know that some truck engines are built to last over 400,000 miles? That's like driving 16 times around the Earth. In this video, we're breaking down the 10 most reliable trucks with forever-lasting engines, the ones that keep going long after the rest have retired. Whether you're hauling, towing, or just want a truck you can depend on for decades, this list has you covered. Let's dive in. Number 1. Toyota Tundras. When it comes to reliability and engines built to go the distance, the Toyota Tundra stands out as a true workhorse. This truck has earned its reputation with a 5.7-liter V8 engine that's not just powerful, but also incredibly durable. It's crafted with precision engineering that prioritizes longevity, featuring a cast-iron block and forged steel components designed to withstand years of hard work and heavy towing. Toyota's commitment to quality and rigorous testing ensures this engine keeps running strong even at high mileage. Many Tundras boast 300,000-plus miles with proper maintenance. Its bulletproof reputation is bolstered by simple, proven technology, avoiding overly complicated designs that could lead to breakdowns. Combine this with Toyota's legendary reliability and a solid track record of low repair costs, and the Tundra cements itself as a truck you can count on for the long haul. It's not just a vehicle, it's an investment in something built to last a lifetime. Number 2. Toyota Tacoma. It is known for its legendary dependability. The Tacoma is powered by the ultra-reliable 3.5-liter V6 engine. This engine is designed with Toyota's precision engineering, featuring a durable aluminum block and cylinder heads, paired with advanced technologies like dual overhead cams and variable valve timing. With proper maintenance, it's not uncommon for Tacomas to exceed 300,000 miles, making them a favorite among adventure seekers, off-road enthusiasts, and everyday drivers alike. The Tacoma's reliability doesn't stop at its engine. Its sturdy chassis, high-strength steel frame, and proven drivetrain ensure it can handle tough terrain and heavy loads with ease. Built with simplicity and durability in mind, the Tacoma is less prone to costly repairs and consistently ranks high in owner satisfaction surveys. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or navigating city streets, the Toyota Tacoma offers the perfect balance of performance, longevity, and low maintenance costs. Number 3. Ram 3500. It is powered by the legendary 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. This heavy-duty truck is built to handle the toughest jobs while offering longevity that's second to none. The Cummins engine is engineered with a cast-iron block, forged steel crankshaft, and advanced turbocharger technology, ensuring it delivers immense power and performance for hundreds of thousands of miles. It's not uncommon to find Ram 3500s still going strong after 400,000 miles or more with routine maintenance. Beyond the powerhouse engine, the Ram 3500 boasts a high-strength steel frame, reinforced suspension, and advanced drivetrain options designed to handle extreme loads and rough conditions. Whether you're towing massive trailers or tackling demanding workdays, this truck rises to the occasion. Paired with the AI Syn automatic transmission, the Ram 3500 delivers smooth, reliable power delivery to keep you moving efficiently and confidently. With a proven track record of reliability, unparalleled towing capacity, and a build quality that lasts, it's built to work hard and endure the test of time, making it the ultimate choice for drivers who demand the best. Number 4. Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It is the definition of durability and power. The heart of its reliability is its Duramax 6.6 LV 8-turbo diesel engine. Renowned for its incredible towing capacity and efficiency, this engine combines high-strength components with advanced engineering, including a cast-iron block and aluminum cylinder heads for optimal performance and durability. With a reputation for running well beyond 300,000 miles when properly maintained, the Duramax engine is often seen as a benchmark for heavy-duty diesel reliability. The Silverado 2500 HD is built for demanding tasks, and its Allison transmission pairs seamlessly with the engine to deliver smooth and reliable power delivery under load. Its chassis and suspension system are designed for strength and endurance, ensuring this truck can handle the toughest jobs year after year. Whether you're hauling heavy equipment or tackling rugged terrain, the Silverado 2500 HD stands as a reliable partner. Number 5. Honda Ridgeline. It is powered by Honda's renowned 3.5-liter V6 engine, a powerhouse known for its efficiency, durability, and smooth performance. This engine utilizes Honda's time-tested engineering, including features like variable cylinder management, which not only enhances fuel efficiency but also reduces wear and tear over time. With routine maintenance, it's not uncommon to see Ridgeline engines surpass the 200,000-mile mark, delivering dependable performance year after year. What sets the Ridgeline apart is its unibody construction, which provides a car-like ride without sacrificing truck utility. Honda's meticulous attention to build quality means fewer issues over time, as the Ridgeline consistently ranks high in reliability studies. Its practical features like the in-bed trunk and dual-action tailgate add to its appeal, making it a versatile option for work and play. If you're looking for a truck that's built to go the distance and handle your day-to-day needs with ease, the Honda Ridgeline proves that reliability can come in a stylish, innovative package. Number 6. Ford F-250 Superduty. It's synonymous with reliability and built to handle the toughest challenges. It is equipped with the legendary 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine. Designed for extreme durability, it features a compacted graphite iron block and forged steel crankshaft, making it exceptionally robust under high stress and heavy loads. Known for delivering jaw-dropping torque and horsepower, this engine is engineered to run for hundreds of thousands of miles with routine care. What truly makes the F-250 Superduty a standout is its robust build quality. From the high-strength steel frame to its heavy-duty suspension, every component is built with longevity in mind. Ford also integrates advanced cooling and fuel injection systems to ensure the engine operates efficiently under demanding conditions, whether you're towing massive loads or navigating tough terrain. Combined with a proven track record of reliability and Ford's decades of truck-building expertise, the F-250 Superduty is a vehicle you can trust for the long haul. Number 7. Ram 1500s. It has a powerful and enduring 5.7-liter Hemi 5.8 engine. This engine is engineered with advanced features like variable valve timing and cylinder deactivation, which improve efficiency while reducing unnecessary wear and tear. Known for its smooth power delivery and ability to clock well over 200,000 miles with regular maintenance, the Hemi V8 is a workhorse built for the long haul. The Ram 1500 also stands out for its robust frame and suspension, capable of handling tough jobs while maintaining a smooth ride. Whether you choose the gas-powered Hemi or the equally reliable 3.0-liter Eco-Diesel V6, the Ram 1500 offers a proven track record of longevity and performance. Its combination of reliable engineering, durable construction, and innovative features ensures it remains a trusted companion for work and play alike. Number 8. Nissan Frontier. It has carved out a reputation as one of the most reliable mid-size trucks with a forever-lasting engine. It has a tried-and-true 4.0-liter V6 engine, which has long been praised for its durability, simplicity, and ability to handle high mileage with ease. This engine, known as the VQ40DE, features a sturdy aluminum block and forged internals, ensuring it can endure years of hard work and tough conditions. With proper care, many Frontiers exceed the 200,000-mile mark without major issues, making it a dependable choice for those seeking longevity. What makes the Frontier even more appealing is its rugged design and minimalistic approach. By avoiding overly complex systems, Nissan has created a truck that's easy to maintain and less prone to breakdowns. Whether you're using it for work, off-roading, or daily driving, the Frontier's combination of durable components, a robust chassis, and proven engineering ensures it remains a steadfast companion. This no-nonsense truck proves that reliability doesn't always come with a flashy design. Number 9. Ford F-150. The core of its reputation is its 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, a powerhouse known for its robust performance, efficient design, and incredible longevity. Built with a durable aluminum block, forged steel components, and advanced fuel injection technology, the Coyote engine is engineered to handle high mileage, often exceeding 300,000 miles with regular maintenance. It's a testament to Ford's commitment to building engines that endure the test of time. The F-150 is also renowned for its versatility and strength. Whether powered by the 5.0-liter V8, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, or the 3.3-liter base engine, the F-150 delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Ford's focus on rigorous durability testing and high-quality materials ensures that this truck is as reliable as it is capable. Add to this its innovative features, from the tough aluminum alloy body to its advanced suspension system, and you get a truck that's ready for any challenge. The Ford F-150 is not just a truck, it's a legacy of reliability and performance, making it a go-to choice for millions of drivers year after year. Number 10. GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It is a powerhouse built for those who demand unwavering performance and longevity. It equips with Duramax 6.6-liter turbo diesel V8 engine, a hallmark of durability and strength. This engine is paired with the highly regarded Allison 10-speed automatic transmission, a combination that ensures smooth power delivery while maximizing efficiency and lifespan. The Duramax is engineered with a cast-iron block and advanced components that are built to handle extreme workloads, often surpassing 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. What truly sets the Sierra 2500 HD apart is its robust construction and attention to detail. The truck features a high-strength steel frame, advanced cooling systems, and precision engineering that ensure it performs reliably under the toughest conditions. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, navigating challenging terrain, or just seeking a dependable daily driver, the Sierra 2500 HD is built to go the distance. If you found this list of the 10 most reliable trucks with forever-lasting engines helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which truck you think deserves the top spot, or if there's one we missed.